Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am going to go ahead and do this unboxing of a set of polishes, which is 12, that a friend of mine gave me for Christmas, a Christmas gift. So I wanted to share that with you all to open it up and let you see what the polishes look like. I won't do a swatch because they're very tiny bottles. They're mini bottles, which are 0.12 fluid ounces, so they're very tiny. But I will show you the polishes, and let's go ahead and get into it. I've already got the box open, but I didn't pull them out. Let's go ahead and pull them out. See, they're very tiny, you guys. See, they're very small polishes. But I'll go ahead and go over these polishes with you. On the back tells you or shows you the colors of the polishes and also give you the names of the polishes. So let's go ahead and let's do this. And I do apologize for the noise in advance while I pop out these beauties. All right, the first one here is called Bronze. So let me zoom in for you. Now this is good. I like that because it's got some shimmer in it. See, it's 0.12 fluid ounces or 3.5 milliliters. I like that. I like that silver shimmer in there. The next one is called Classy. And that looks like a, could be a hot pink or muted red. You let me know how you would describe this cream. All right, the third one here is Bubblegum, which looks true to its color or true to its name. This one's also a cream. But it's a real pretty color. Can't get that. I can't get my words out, y'all. Excuse me. But that's a really pretty color. That will look great on my complexion, by the way. All right. The fourth one is called Nude, which is true to its name. It is a nude polish. It's a nude tan polish, and it's also a cream. These also kind of make you think of Crellies, but I think it's more of a cream. I'm kind of a cross between the two. This fifth one here is called Vamp. And this is also like a cream. Like that deep color. Good for the fall. Vamp. But you know, I wear whatever I want, whenever I want. Doesn't matter the season for me. The sixth one is called Plum. And this is another cream. I like this one too. This is more of an in the neutral family also. And that could be worn at any time. All right, the seventh one is Edgy. This looks like it's going to be like a chocolatey brown cream. Yeah, that's more of a chocolatey brown cream. The next one, which is the eighth one, is Lavender, which to me looks more like a mauve color. Yeah, to me that's more of a mauve than a lavender. Very pretty. And I think all of these will look very well on my complexion. What do you think? Number 9 is Fairy. I think y'all know what I'm thinking. This looks like a purple. Uh-oh. It's like a purple. Yeah, baby. It is a purple. And it has shimmer. It has bling bling. It's got shimmery blues, and you see the shimmer in pinks. See if I can kind of let you see the pink in that shimmer. I saw that shimmery pink. You see that? Real pretty. I like that. Number 10 is a white, your basic white, and it is also a cream. Cream. Number 11 is Ladylike. Most of these colors look they're not very bright and vibrant. They're more muted colors, but very pretty. And the last one is called Coral, which to me looks like a hot pink. Let me know what you think. And that is it's a cream also. All right, y'all. These are the polishes. And you guys let me know if you would like to see these polishes, to see if they stamp, because I don't see any other uses. I wouldn't have too many usages out of these because they're so tiny. But as far as stamping, I might be able to see if they actually stamp. So let me know if you would like to see me do a swatch video and see if these actually stamp as opposed to actually doing a swatch, because I don't think I'll be able to use these too often to do a manicure on. But they are gorgeous, and I really appreciate my friend thinking of me and sending me these polishes, because so I'm going to make a use out of them. I'm going to see if they're going to stamp, and if they do, that'll be a thumbs up, a plus. So for my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't already, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, and also make sure you click on that bell so you can get notified on when I upload a new video. Thank you guys for watching. You guys be blessed, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.